Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. Today, I'm not in my favorite hourly time frame. Okay, so to see the things better and clear, okay, we are using the 15-minute chart of gold. Obviously, we will look at our beloved hourly time frame as well. So on Thursday, market made a low of 328586 area. Many of us believe that finally we can see some correction on the chart of gold. Well, gold is gold. Gold showed immediate recovery and closed around 332728 area. So this is the current market price or the last traded price of gold here. We can see that after the correction, temporary correction, market um, showed immediate recovery. So let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday then. At first, I would like to take you to the daily chart. Okay, on the daily chart, we can see that we still have the big bearish divergence here, but we have seen in the last couple of weeks and months that the technicals like divergence are not working properly. After all, market sentiment is above all, and market has been very sensitive to news right now. If any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously market will not think about the divergence and market will straight go up. 3400, 3500 is the next target for gold. But if market comes down, then obviously that will be a very good relief for all of us, because a correction is important. A correction is a healthy sign of any chart. So my dear friend, if you see on Monday or Tuesday or by next week gold is coming down for correction, just check whether is there any news or not. If there is news in the market, that's good. But if you see that gold is showing signs of correction without any news, then keep in mind that that is just a temporary move, and you can expect gold to come towards 3150 area. Okay, and not much to discuss from the daily chart here. And if we look at the hourly chart, we can clearly see on the hourly chart gold is obviously bullish after some correction. After taking support around the 50 moving average, gold is going up again. Okay, so now let's discuss the trading opportunities for Monday one by one. So if you already have a buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position with your SL, okay, with your SL below 3280. Okay, you can hold your buy position with your SL below 3280, because further upside is very much possible here. But still, we cannot say that this market is completely bullish, because market was under retracement. And to continue the upside, gold needs to break 3350. Then only it will be a confirmation to us that gold is finally bullish again. So the market opening is going to play a major role. After the market opening, okay, listen to me carefully. After the market opening, if you see that gold is coming down, then observe the size of the candle. Usually we don't see much volume during the first half of Monday, but sometimes market also surprises us. If you see the market is behaving like a normal Monday market, size of the candles are like this. If you see similar size candles, then you can expect the market to take support around 3318 and 331110 area. These are the two levels where we can look for a support. We can look for a bounce if we see market coming down with small candles, means low volume. We have derived these levels on a lower time frame with the help of Fibonacci. We can see this is a Fibo 0.236 and this is our beloved 0.382. Okay, and these are the two levels, not very strong levels, they are weak levels, but in a low volatile market we can definitely expect them to provide support to the market. Okay, and if you see that there is a big amount of selling pressure, then obviously this they will not work. For example, if you see a big red candle, then obviously it will not work. In that case, our next support level on the chart of gold is around 3291 to 3286. 3291, 3286. This is the next support on the chart of gold if market comes down with volume. Okay, and in case of an accident, if you see heavy selling pressure on the chart of gold, then we have the best support around 3268 and 3255. Okay, 5566. These are the two levels on the chart of gold. If market surprises us, for example, if you see the market is coming down for correction, there is heavy selling pressure. In that case, you can look for support around these two areas. And we have derived this level with the help of FIBO again. Let me take you to the hourly chart. Okay, it will be easier for you to understand. So so when we are considering this particular low of the market, you can see 3255. Okay, 3255, 3250. Okay, this is a round number, plus we have the FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and when we are drawing FIBO on the overall chart here, you can see we have FIBO 326869. Okay, when we are considering the overall chart of FIBO here. Okay, so these are the two levels where we can look for a bounce if market comes down with heavy selling pressure. And you can see around 3269, 3270 area, we also have the 100 moving average coming up as well. Okay, so the market opening is going to play a major role. If market comes down with low volume, then we can look for immediate levels like 3318, 331011 area. If market comes down with medium selling pressure, then we can look for support around 3291, 3286. Otherwise 3267, 325550. 325550 are the best levels, but the market opening is going to play a major role. As I said, okay, market is full of surprises. Usually we don't see much volume during the first half of Monday. Okay, but otherwise, if market surprises us, then obviously these are the levels. So let's hope for the best. Again, I repeat, if you already have a buy, hold your buy position, because market is showing signs of recovery again. Chances of gold heading towards upside is quite high here. Okay, because the global uncertainty is still present in the market. And stay in touch with the news. Any news will make the market crazy again. And as I said, to continue the upside, gold needs to break 3350 area. So if market goes up, okay, the second possibility is market going up after the market opening. If market goes up after the market opening, we can look for a resistance around 3340, 3345 because of previous price rejection around this area. As a day trader, as a scalper, we can observe the market. Okay, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, you can hit the sell button. But if you're a new trader, beginner, it will be better for you to stick to the trend of the market. But if you're an experienced trader, okay, if you can score some pips in a bullish market, okay, then you can try. But otherwise, this can be a risky selling opportunity. So the market opening is going to be important, and obviously the high of the market is 3360. Obviously we can look for buy above 3360, but let's wait for the market to open. I don't think so market will be so crazy bullish that it will straight shot go up and break 3360. If it does, obviously we can look for a buy above 3360. But overall, the market was bullish. Market is still bullish. If you see market is coming down, immediately check whether is there any news. If you see there is no news in the market, keep in mind that is a correction, and corrections are very important for any market. If a correction comes as a day trader, as a scalper, you can look for sell positions. But if you are looking for good position, good swing position, then obviously corrections are very good opportunities for you. In that case, you can look for the market to come down to 3150, 3160 area. If it takes support, we can look for a buy position. And the levels that I discussed right now are mostly for day traders. So if you see that after the market opening, gold is coming down, observe the size of the candle. On 50-minute chart also it will do. If you see some candles are small, it means that volume is low, volatility is low. In that case, you can look for support around immediate levels like 3318, 3311 area. Okay, and if you see market is coming down, volume is there, in that case you can look for support around 329186 area. And in case of an accident, heavy selling pressure, 325550, 3267, 3270. Okay, these are also present. And if market goes up, we can look for a resistance around 3340, 3345 area as well. My dear friends, if you're looking for a safe, reliable broker and you're a day trader, then you can consider opening an account with Star Trader. Initially the spread will be around 27, okay, but I can reduce the spread to 17 on gold, one of the best spread in the industry. And moreover, Star Trader is multi-regulated. They have 2 tier 1 license from FCA, ASIC, and also have the SCA license. Okay, and if you're looking for a swap free account, if you are a swing trader, do not want to pay holding fees, okay, then you can look for account in Vantage. Vantage doesn't require any introduction. Vantage is one of the biggest global broker. Okay, and if you're Indian, then you can obviously go with Star Trader, because Star Trader also provides swap free accounts for Indians. But overall, if you ask me, if you're a day trader, Star Trader is the best option because of the spread. Okay, and if you're from Europe, Africa, Australia, okay, then you can go with Vantage. Okay, so if you're looking for a good broker, check this out. The link will be in the description.